Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync Evernote with Google Calendar. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to evernote.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your main Evernote dashboard where you can access all your notes and features. Now, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. You'll see several menu options listed there. Look for the option labeled Calendar and click on it. This will open up Evernote's calendar integration settings where you can connect various calendar services to sync your notes and events seamlessly. Once you're in the calendar section, you'll notice different integration options available in the left panel. Click on Google to begin the process of linking your Google Calendar with Evernote. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to see your scheduled events alongside your notes, making it easier to stay organized and manage your tasks in one place. Next, a window will appear showing you the Google accounts currently logged into your browser. Select your preferred Google account from the list. This is the account whose calendar you want to sync with Evernote, so make sure you choose the right one if you have multiple accounts. After selecting your account, you'll see a button that says Continue. Go ahead and click on it. This will move you forward in the authorization process, where Google will ask for your permission to share calendar data with Evernote. Now you'll be presented with a permission screen that explains what Evernote will be able to access from your Google Calendar. You'll see several checkboxes listing the specific permissions required for the integration to work properly. Check all the necessary boxes to grant Evernote access to your calendar information. Once you've reviewed and checked all the boxes, click Continue to finalize the connection. And that's it. You've successfully synced your Evernote account with Google Calendar, allowing you to view and manage your calendar events directly within Evernote. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.